Welcome to the Global Mindset University. I'm your host, Mohammed Kamal. On today's episode, I have invited Ashadia Rashid. Hello, Ashadia.
Hello, I am very happy to be here.
Great. So, what do you have today?
I would like to show you how to do the challenge called Favorite Fruits.
Great. Here is your fruit, Shadi.
The first thing we will do is make an array. We would make a variable.
Can you read it?
The first thing we would do is read. You're going to display your top 3 favorite fruits. To get started, make an array of them. var my favorite my favorite fruit equals, then both of these brackets with a semicolon, then good. Then inside here, my favorite fruits are bananas, and the last thing is good. Now next step. Now use the text command to display each item on a different line so that they are not overlapping, because we do not want our precious code to be overlapping. Then we might need to click the start over button. Now here we would do the text command. Here, the text message, and then the width and the height. It's optional. Now here, we would put both of these brackets 1. Now we would just copy your variable name, copy it and paste it. My fruit 1 and 20. After 20, let's make it 50, which is probably around here. 20 is here, and which would be around here. Looks like we're missing a semicolon. Now, where is it? Probably it is not able to be seen because it should start with 0, which means, wait. So we're going to type in identifier. Oh, 0. Now use the text command. To display them on the line. Let's display them like this. The text are you displaying each? Oh, 1 and 2. All items are the items spaced out on the y-axis. They should be like a list. I'm not very sure where they are, but they don't really look like spaced out. Let's move this one there. Wait, no. Like that, and this one there, and this one here. And we might need the fill color. That's why we couldn't be able to see them. Let's make them a little bit like a magenta. Let's change it. 255 0 255. Then it's perfectly magenta. Let's move it on a little. The next thing is this. Let's move it up a little. And the last thing is here. Perfect. Now let's move them up a little. Here. And here. Move this one down. A little bit more down. Good. Show the left. Now display a header that says my top 3 favorite fruits anywhere. Text and this. Now text here would be my top favorite, my top 3 favorite fruits. Peaches, apples, and bananas. Let's move this thing a little bit. I think you mean a variable. Before this comma, it would be 20 and 20. Okay. That's why my top, we might not really need this. My top okay, we might need to comment this a little. I mean, not really commented, but make it with those things.
That's called quotation.
Yeah, quotation marks. Now, inside these pluses, we would do my top.
Double quote. Plus.
Let's put it here, in the middle of this. My top oh, now I know it. We would just copy this. Oh, confusing pluses.
Yeah.
Let's put it here. Oh. Yes. And then it says, congratulations, you earned 150 points. You guys have now completed the challenge called Favorite
Can you
Fruits.
summarize it? The key points. Like the code.
Now here, let's check it. Oh, there's a space. There's no space. Let's add the space there, and there it is. Next, we just need to move it in. Let's make it a little bit bigger. How to do that? Let's do text size equals 20. And then, again, let's move it up here. And these fruit needs to be perfectly in the same place. There. And bananas, they're my favorite most. And you guys have just completed a challenge called My Favorite Fruits or Favorite Fruit. Now let me just tell you the code to make this. My favorite fruit, bananas, peaches, and apples, which are here. And the fill, which makes the fill color, if we change it, then all of it would change. It's like an animation, which we would use that for next code. And over here, text my favorite fruit 0, which means the first. It always starts at 0. Then 1, which is peaches. 1, which is peaches here. And 2, which is apples. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a great day.